Hello YouTube. Making a recording of a little mod that I made. Simple. Uh, I replaced the three AAA batteries that charges or that powers this little Kobe Snaps. Let's see if I can. Snaps camcorder that I bought for like 12 bucks at a pawn shop. Um, Replace it with a cell phone battery power. Um, the battery is still attached to the cell phone. I just uh, put leads or wired the or put wiring together to the leads of the cell phone, and let's see if I can. Well, the wires go into come out of the cell phone from there, from the bottom, and then wound up on over here, and a little bit of an excess wiring, but hey, it works. And I got it spliced to the positive and negative terminals here. Uh, well, the cell phone had a full charge, and now it is just about to die, and the phone is still, or the camcorder is still recording. It just drained the battery completely. That's not 4 minutes and 13 seconds, as you can see, but that's 4 hours and 13 minutes on one charge for the cell phone. I've got it bound together, so it'll be like a single entity or single product, but it's still recording. It's got a 4 gig memory card in the bottom, and yeah, I just did it because I needed to get a cheaper, I guess, way to record or to use my camcorder, and have a bit of a situation with recording my son's soccer games, and this is letting me know, hey, you can do it. 4 hours and 14 minutes, and the battery is just now reading very low. I don't got the cell phone on, but just to conserve power. But if I did, I can turn on this little flashlight, built-in flashlight, uh, for emergency uses, I guess. But yeah, the camcorder is basically piggybacking, um, power from the cell phone. So that's awesome. It ran off of 3 AAA batteries that, well, basically get pretty expensive to keep on replenishing. Even if well, they wouldn't last this long if I had rechargeable batteries. I doubt it. But yeah, nice little mod. Uh, it does have built-in flash for its camera, but I blew the bulb in the flash. But yeah, that sucks. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and power it down or stop the recording. Um, I want to be able to save this. Speaker on it still works. It's located right there, just above my thumb. So let's see what happens. A little mod. Simple. Anybody can do it. Tell me what you think. I am a low budget guy, so this really helped out. This is just a prepaid phone that I got a couple years back, and camcorder that I just purchased off of a layaway that went overdue at a pawn shop. That along with a bunch of other things. Alright. Tell me what you guys think.